Hey, you guys! We are back with another video. Listen, if this is your first time tuning in, I am LaTersa Blakely, and this channel is all about helping you to live your best life ever. Listen, I drop new videos every week. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you love videos about motivation, helping you to be the best version of yourself, self-care, hygiene, entrepreneurship, then this channel is for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But today's topic is all about what to do when you are ready and you're ready to start dating again, and what to do on your first date. This is going to be a very fun topic, because as women, we look at things a little bit different from the way men do. So here are some tips for you ladies when you are getting ready to go on your first date. Here's some things that you can do to prepare yourself. And the first thing I have to say this is, the first thing you want to keep in mind is when you're going on a date, no matter wherever he takes you or whatever, be yourself. Don't go in there trying to be, don't go in there trying to be fake and all that kind of stuff. Just be you. And just remember, this is a date. He's not your husband. So just be yourself. And then the next thing you want to do, while you all googly-eyed and you checking him from head to toe and all that, you want to make sure you're listening more than you're talking. We as women, my God, we be just talking and ain't looking at nothing and ain't paying attention. That's how some of us end up in these situationships, I like to call them. But pay attention and listen to what he has to say. And then the next thing you want to do is allow him to open doors for you. You got to request that. You got to make that known. You are an elegant woman. You are a virtuous woman, and you deserve to have the door open for you, the chair pulled out for you. If he's a real man and he's a true gentleman, all of that's going to be a given, but you make it known. Like, before you get out the car, you sit and wait. You let him open the door for you. Just enjoy being a lady. Enjoy. I'm telling you, God made us special and unique for a reason. Enjoy it. Be happy. Enjoy being a woman. Enjoy allowing that man to open doors for you. And, I teach my baby girl that, like, baby, you are the prize. You always let the young boy at school open the door for you or help you with your books or something like that. I'm 42 and I love it. So chivalry is not dead. It just may be the type of men you're dealing with that the reason why you say they don't do that no more. But chivalry is not dead. There are still, I believe, and this is me personally, I believe there are still some good men out there that loves to open doors for women and do all of that sorts of thing. And then the next thing you want to do when you go on your first date is you want to ask questions. This is your time to get to know him. You ask questions. This is how you get to know one another. You ask questions. Don't be just quiet, because I know me, I be asking questions. But you ask questions. That's how you get to know a person. That's how you get to know what his beliefs are, what he stands. Just pay attention, ladies. Don't be so excited about the date that you miss the whole overall picture. And then my last and final thought for you is, well, I had two, but I said that one. Allow him to pull the chair out for you, open doors for you. That's a given. Allow that man to be the man. And then the next one is just have fun. It's a date. You are getting to know another human being that potentially could be your boo, that could potentially be the man that God created you to be. But hear me, ladies, don't get so excited that every guy that you meet, you thinking he's the one, because that's not really how. If you get so caught up in that, you're going to miss the man that God has for you, because, we get anxious. We be like, you know what, God, I'm a certain age and, I want to be married. And for those of us including myself, that have been married before, well, we want to do it again. Say, we did it before, but we want to do it again, but do it in a better way. And so for you that are asking God for your husband, just, you have to be patient, because the devil hears your prayers just like God does. And the devil also knows what you like. So he'll always try to trip you up and throw you a counterfeit. So you got to be careful with that too, because the devil knows exactly what you like. He knows you love them tall and dark skin and smell good and know how to talk to you and do all this stuff. The devil hear you too. So you got to be open with your spiritual eyes and your spiritual mind, so that you can discern if it's time for you to move further, or if it's time for you to let it go. So it's fun dating, but you got to date with a purpose. You can't just be out here. And for women, we can't do a lot of stuff that men do. You know, men can go out there and have 2, 3, 4 different women at the same time. But when a woman do it, oh, she's a hoe, or she's a tramp, or she's a slut, all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of like biased when it comes to that, because men can get away with murder. But women, we can't be out there. If you say you're waiting for your husband and you're looking for your husband, it's just certain qualities and certain things you shouldn't be doing. You know, you shouldn't be dressing like you getting ready to go to bed, you know, and you out in public, but you're saying you're asking God for your husband, because you're going to attract the man to you, but he ain't going to be attracted to you because of your good qualities. You know, because, you know, they say, you know, men they are visual. They look first. So you got to be careful, ladies, when you're out and about. You know, dress accordingly. If you say you're a classy, virtuous woman, then you need to be keeping it covered, honey, because you could be cute, sexy, and covered. You see what I'm saying? You leave something to his imagination. We don't need to be broadcasting stuff all on Front Street and all that kind of stuff. So that was my little tidbit, because I've been getting DMs about, you know, what should I do on my first date? What should I wear? And wear something comfortable, wear something cute and classy. Enjoy being a woman. God made us so unique and special. We have to own that. Like, we are the queen. We are the gifts. So you got to walk in there like you the best thing that ever happened. You see what I'm saying? So have fun on your first date. And remember, smell good, look fly, girl. I'm talking about, listen, leave me a comment below on how your first date went, because I want to celebrate you, because I knew that you could do it. I know that it's possible, you guys, because it's all a part of life. If you are asking God for your husband, dating is a part of that. So listen, I hope today you enjoyed this video. You learned something from it. Leave me a comment below and let me know what are your thoughts on dating, you know, at a certain age. I'm in my 40s, so I'm way past the little teenage young girls, 20s and 30s. But let me know your experiences with dating now in 2020. And then look, if you are new here and you enjoyed this content, you've stuck around this long, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I don't want you to miss another episode. And remember this, if you don't remember anything else I said, remember you are absolutely enough. And everything that you need is already on the inside of you, you guys. Make sure you know that you are blessed. God loves you. I love you. Have an amazing day. God bless. Mwah.